eBay sellers, it's Suzanne, and I had an exciting sale last night that I wanted to share with you. Since puzzles are a big thing right now with stay at home and we're getting into the Christmas and holiday shopping season, these are great sellers. So I found this puzzle. It's a Josephine Wall collaboration with Buffalo, 1,000 pieces. And it's not a huge box, so pretty easy to ship. But look how beautiful that is. She is a fantasy artist. So brand new, this puzzle goes for $100. You can check completeds and see that. So I found this about a month ago, and it was $1 at Goodwill, and it sold last night for full price, $49.97. plus shipping to Canada. So here's the sale. You can check that on my completeds if you want to verify. But I just wanted to remind you to look at the games and puzzles, because it does not matter if all the pieces are there. You can see in the listing it is pre-owned, and I have a disclaimer that I did not count the pieces or work the puzzle, so I cannot verify that all the pieces are there. And it sold anyway. $1 investment sold for $50 in 30 days. Where else can you do that? Where else can you see those kinds of margins? That's why I love eBay. So I wanted to share this with you and just remind you, it's okay if the puzzles are used and you don't have to verify if all the pieces are there. This is the proof that it will still sell in used condition with whatever number of pieces are in there. So I just wanted to throw that little tidbit your way, and I hope that helps you as a picker to delve into new product categories. And remember, Goodwill can't catch everything. Thrift stores can't catch everything. They're not looking at the puzzles right now. Maybe after they watch this video they will, but I don't see many people paying more than $1 or $2 for puzzles at a thrift store. So I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.